Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can launch a private session known as incognito mode in Claude. So it is a chat feature that allows users to have conversations which are not saved to their chat history or used for training. It can be easily activated by following the simple steps. So in order to enable the incognito mode, you will simply need to click onto this use incognito button right here at the top right corner of the screen. If you can't find it, you can simply press the Control Shift and I key combinations and it will launch the incognito chat visible like this. So you can easily use this to browse any particular private content that you wish. So conversations are not saved in the user's history and it can be toggled via this icon. While not saved in the history, incognito chats are kept for up to 30 days for safety, security and compliance and are included in data exports for enterprise or Teams plan. So if you're using a Teams plan, be very sure that although these are not recorded, they can be extracted upon request. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.